Hello everybody, this is a guessing game video that I got going on. And what this is basically, this is a Pi Top Creed. And what that means is, it's a Raspberry Pi desktop with a screen. And it has a keyboard and mouse and everything. So I'm going to be doing a upcoming project very soon during the summer with this, involving this. I'm not going to tell you what it is, you're going to have to guess it. So if you want to play along at home, leave a comment below and tell me what you think this is going to be for. And I got mostly three people do like 1 winner, 2 winner, or 3 winner. I'm going to be doing 4 winners, 4 giveaways. That's right, 4 giveaways. The first prize winner, whoever is going to win, is a mystery box. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but let's just say it's going to be really awesome. The second prize winner is, they're going to be receiving some of these cells. I'm going to give away 20 brand new cells. Yes, that's right. They're brand new. These are 2600 milliamp hours that I pulled from these packs that I bought from a store. I pulled them apart and I got these cells out of them. So I'm going to give away 20 of these cells. And there goes the information right there. If you're looking at home and you follow along, there it is. These are 2600 milliamp hours. Hopefully they are. I don't know. Let me know also in the comments below if they are or not. I don't have time to look it up, but hey, that's okay. There's 20 of these given away. The third prize winner are going to get some cell holders from me. I'm going to give away 20 1x3 cell holders. And I'm also going to give away 20 4x5 cell holders. Yes, that's right. You're going to get that, both of them. Not just the 1x3s, but you're also going to get the 4x5s, 20 each. So, the third prize winner. The fourth prize winner, I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. The fourth prize winner, what are we going to give away? Basically, I'm going to give away some 4x5 cell holders, 10 each, and 10 of the 1x3s. So, you're going to get 10 1x3s and 10 4x5s. That's what I'm going to give away. Well, that's about it. Have a good one, everybody, and let me know what you think this is going to be for. Leave the comments below. Let me know. Do a thumbs up. Thumbs down, that's all up to you. I'm not judgmental either way. And if you leave me a thumbs down, I know who you are. Just remember that. I'm just kidding. Anyway, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, that's up to you, and stay tuned for the next one.